Hello and welcome to the tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how to install Exitlinks by ScriptDorks.com, which is the URL shortener script allowing you to start your own URL shortening website. So to get started, we've purchased the script, we've downloaded the files, and we've uploaded them to our cPanel here, and unpacked the package. You can see it's put it in the index directory here. So we are going to be installing it in our website url.com/index, and this is what you see once you've got the package. So to get started, we're going to click on the README file, and we've got the how-to text. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Edit here. It gives you the steps to install. So we've unzipped the file already, we've uploaded the file already. We need to change mod some files. So they can be found at this path. Includes dbcon/libphp.dbconnect. So we're just going to double check that these are in fact 755. Depending on how you uploaded your files, they will be already 755. So you can see the libphp.dbconnect is in fact 755, and the other file is in the query folder, and that too is 755 already as well. We can see the permissions over here. So we can move along to the next step, and it's open defines/constraints.inc and enter the database details. So to get started, we're going to we'll first open that file up to show you where that is. It's in the includes. Includes is here. No, it's in the defines. Sorry, defines is here. We're going to edit the code here, and here we have our database information. So you see it's yet to be filled in. Password, database name, database username. So I'm going to start by making up a password here, and I want you to see this password. I will be changing it later, so don't get any funny ideas, but to give you an idea about creating a MySQL password, they should be very secure. So I'm going to go ahead, and you see I'm starting with funny characters. You know, it's going to be very hard for somebody to guess this password. L's, capitalize, O's, they're good characters to use in these. And there we go, we've got a pretty hard password to guess. We're now going to take this back to our cPanel, and we're going to scroll down all the way to databases down here. We've got the MySQL database wizard. So I click on the wizard tool, and it says create a database. So it's got our path to the server here, and then our username or database name. It's going to be something that we can use to tell this database apart from other databases that we have on the server. So link, for example, is a good one. And again, the username, I'm going to keep it the same, not to confuse things. I'm going to paste my hard password in there. It's very strong, and create the user. So I'm going to select all privileges, copy the database name, and click next step. Now the task has been completed and the database added. I can click here to go home, and all I need to do now is edit the database username with our username here and the database name, which is also the same, to keep things simple. So that's pretty much it. I just need to change the URL here. So this is where I put my domain name in here. So in this case, it'll be the downtown Toronto. And as I'm installing it in a path, not on my root web directory, I'm going to add index and must include the trailer slash. Oops. So I'm going to include that there. Cost per click, I could also define that if I need to, but I'm not going to be worrying about that on this case. So this file is all edited, and I'm just going to save changes. So I've saved the changes there. I've done step 4 and step 5. Step 6 is done. So what I need to do now, I just need to create the database tables, and to do so I go to the README and we have the create database SQL file. So we just need to drop this in to our database, and I don't need to create the database code because I've already created it. So I'm just going to be specifying the database to use. So I go back to the cPanel, and we have created the database already. So if we click on phpMyAdmin, it will already be there, and we can see our link database is here. So no tables have been found in the database because we've yet to create them. We're going to click on the SQL button here, paste our database tables in, specify the database to use by copying the database up here. We could just type it in, or we're just going to copy and paste to replace the testing database here. There's our database we're using. All our tables are there. Click go. And there we go, it's done. So now when we click on the database, we see we've got our tables all successfully built. And we can go back now and use our admin details here. Admin and password is the password. So when we click on the link now, we just take this away here. We see we have successfully installed Exitlinks. So there we go, that's how you do it. And that's the end of the tutorial, so bye for now.